Hi everyone, my name is Kyla Roessler. I am the restoration steward here at Younger Lagoon. I've been in this position for about 3 years now, but I started as a 2-unit intern just like you guys back in 2014. And that turned into a paid student position. So I worked here the summers after my junior and senior year. And during those summers was really when I really fell in love with this place and with the plants, which I didn't think I was interested in at all. Turns out I was. But yeah, I studied marine biology in school. I graduated from UCSC back in 2015. And so a lot of my background is in marine work, but now I know a lot about the plants here in Santa Cruz County and the birds and the animals here. When I was in school, I did the marine biology field quarter, which took place in Corsica, France. And I did underwater research studying an anemone and a goby and their relationship. So that's my research background. It's not much, but I really did enjoy it. And I do enjoy collecting data and helping other researchers with their research. Yeah. After I graduated, I worked for the California Conservation and Ecology Super Course, and if you don't know what that is, it's a really amazing field quarter that every student from all the different UCs, so 9 different campuses, can apply to, and they go around the state to different natural reserves and learn how to do research and field methods and stats and writing papers and all that. So I just was a logistics person for that, but I did that for 5 quarters, and I fell even more in love with the natural reserve system. So I'm really excited to share the history of the NRS with you guys. Let's see. So that's what I did after I graduated. I did that for about 2.5 years, and then when I was done with that, this position was open at Younger Lagoon, and I applied and came back, and it felt really great to come back. In my free time, I like cooking and baking and rock climbing and hiking and doing art. And yeah, I'm excited to share this quarter with you virtually. It'll be an adventure for sure, but I think you guys will learn a lot.